I am sure that you know cough and catarrh symptoms seem to be as common as the sunrise. These pesky health issues can be a real nuisance, disrupting our daily lives and making us uncomfortable. But what if nature has provided us with remedies that are as common as these symptoms? Let's guide you into the world of plants and fruits that can help alleviate these symptoms. First on the list is none other than the humble lemon. This citrus fruit is packed with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and speeds up recovery. Not to mention its natural acidity can cut through mucus and relieve congestion, something anyone with a persistent cough or catarrh can appreciate. Next up is the potent and pungent garlic. This small white bulb is a powerhouse of antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help fight infections. Consuming garlic can soothe the throat, reduce coughing, and ease catarrh symptoms. Then we have ginger, a root known for its medicinal properties. Ginger's anti-inflammatory compounds can soothe a sore throat, reduce coughing, and help clear up catarrh. Plus, its warm and spicy flavor is a great addition to teas and soups. Also worth mentioning is the pineapple. Yes, you heard that right. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that can break down mucus and phlegm. It is also known to suppress coughs and reduce the swelling in nasal passages, making it a sweet and delicious way to combat cough and catarrh symptoms. Finally, we have the familiar and comforting honey. This natural sweetener is not only delicious, but also has soothing properties that can relieve a cough and soothe a sore throat. Plus, its antioxidant and antimicrobial properties can help fight off infections that might be causing these symptoms. To sum it all up, nature has provided us with an array of plants and fruits that can help us combat the common and often annoying symptoms of cough and catarrh. The acidic lemon, potent garlic, spicy ginger, sweet pineapple, and soothing honey all have unique properties that can alleviate these symptoms. Each of these natural remedies is not only effective, but also a tasty addition to our daily diet. Once you find yourself dealing with a stubborn cough or persistent catarrh, remember these natural remedies. They might just be the relief you need.